Hi there guys, this is Tom Voyage here, and today we're going to be taking a look at this. It's the brand new pizza steel from Ooni. Now I'm really excited about today's video because I've wanted to try out a pizza steel for a long time. I'm quite experienced cooking on stones, but I've never tried before a steel in a home oven. So I've been sent this one from Ooni. This is a 13-inch pizza steel, so let's first get it unboxed. So inside the box we have some instructions there for how to use your pizza steel, and then the pizza steel itself. So here it is. This measures 34 centimeters by 34 centimeters, and it's about 6 mil thick. It weighs 5.5 kilos, so it's a solid bit of steel, and it's made from a 430 stainless steel grade, which makes it really durable and really hard wearing. So you may be wondering why you need a pizza steel at all. Well, the idea behind it is that the thickness of the steel retains heat really well, and it'll give you a nice even cook. Now these are going to be ideal if you don't currently own a pizza oven or you want something to cook pizzas indoors. So they're designed for use in a home oven, which is for temperatures ranging from 250 to 270 degrees centigrade. So they're ideal for those of you that haven't yet got a pizza oven, or maybe you're just getting started, or you wanted something to cook indoors over the winter. Now since this is brand new, the first job is to wash it and dry it and clean it, and then we stick it in the oven and preheat for 30 minutes on the highest setting. So our steel is nice and washed and ready to go in. So as you can see, it fits nicely into most size ovens. Push that to the back, and we're going to let it preheat for 30 minutes. So it's been around 30 minutes and our pizza steel is up to temperature. So we've made a lovely pepperoni, a mushroom and andouille pizza here ready to go on. Now, unlike the Ooni pizza ovens which cook between 60 and 90 seconds, this is going to take between 6 to 8 minutes, so it's a little bit longer. Now all ovens are different, but I know mine heats up more on the right hand side than the left hand side, so I'm just going to turn this pizza one time during this cook. So our pizza's just about ready, but before we pull it out, please remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. If you wanted to buy one of these pizza steels for yourself, check the links in the description below. It doesn't cost you any more money, but it helps me out with a bit of commission so we can carry on making videos like this in the future. Right, let's get this pizza out. Wow. This looks really good. So as you can see, that is really nicely evenly cooked. It's got a nice, very crispy crust, and the base from the heat retention in the steel should be nicely cooked also. So let's cut into this pizza and see how it looks. Can you hear that? It's really crispy. So it's a nice crispy crust and a base that supports the toppings really well. And if you can see from the underneath, even though it looks quite light, it's nice and crispy. A nice sound when we tap it. And I think overall, a really good pizza. Thanks very much guys for watching this video. I hope you found it useful. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And to buy one of these Ooni pizza steels for yourself, you can find them in the description too.